feel start. This is another thing, but up this beat you right now. I dey feel start you lamba. I fit to make another song, but up this beat you right now.
Oh, so wait, you name program. Just make the announcement. Name one program today. Okay. In the evening, we love cleaning. You may say about dates. I told them like dates. I told them I'm a genius. I had to show them what the meaning is. 100,000 hands where the ceiling is. I told them I'm the highest. With the drip, I'm the flyest. 100,000 hands where the sky is. Told them I'm amazing. They told me I was crazy. Nothing ever changed. I told them I'm a giant. Real African giant. Self-confidence, self-reliance. Told them I'm the master. They told me I wouldn't prosper. I told them so they be fast. And then they joke you. Say make us stop. I be the one joke you. Me and they feel pain. But I move forward and I switch lanes. Because you don't gonna be nickname. They say who be this time. I told them a big circle. Put up for your body in the 3 seconds. Put me in your song, it's a tick-tock. If I put you on, you won't reach the. Yes, I told them I'm a god winner. I stay humble because told them that I was the realest. For some reason they didn't believe it. So here we are. I told them from the start. From the very start. I told them. I told them they were gonna see this. For some reason they didn't believe it. So here we are. I told them from the start. Right from the very start. I told them. I told them they were gonna see this. For some reason they didn't believe it. So here we are.
Which one of you is the outlet? I want to join the tent.
We shine like that, travels in waves at an unbelievable distance and days. Radio, micro, infrared.
Tie to your belt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta.
And Christy, aka Emenari, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 Ebona DFM.
WC. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. So fly. You make me want to spend money. Girl, you looking so good. I heard you taste like honey. I don't mean to be rude. I don't mean to be rude. Your man ain't saying nothing. Your body oh so wild, yeah. Make you wanna do something. Oh Rihanna, girl I want you to take my banana. That big booty like you from Ghana. Need you in my life, ain't no drama, ain't no drama, hey mama. I know say you got it up from your mama. And I want to hold you.
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM. We blend culture and entertainment. Ebona DFM. We blend culture and entertainment.
Hello, Anna Bello, Bunyamarika, Hello, Tanitora, Bende. I no go let the money to come my way. So I pray, make I don't get that money come my way. Cause I know what you know you go do when the money come my way. When, no shingles, when the money no deal, no shingles. When, no shingles, no shingles, no shingles. When, no shingles, when the money no deal, no shingles. When, no shingles, but the double no too. I know they don't want me the money to come my way. Them know they don't go let the money to come my way. So I pray they don't get that money to come my way. Cause I know what you know you go do with the money come my way.
Yeah, so people now have to go down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, the man is now man ego gabana here today. You have to go on a kunkum. But today is his birthday. One decade today is birthday, and we are going to celebrate him. And every other person celebrating today, you know exactly what we do when we get here, you know. And it's about time for us to do the needful. Olugo Ogafo. We live in a wonderful time, you know, a time when you see a lot of people who are influencers and they are not influencing anything. Because a lot of people and at the end of the day, personal influencer. So I did this morning. We have a lot of things to talk about when we get to that spot. But right about now, let's celebrate the people who are celebrating this morning. You have to go you know exactly what to do to become part of this celebration. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. We name and number of the person who you need to celebrate this morning. Okay, yes, or birthday, anniversary, wedding, getting couple. We are here to celebrate with you this morning.
Happy birthday. The years may come and the years may go, but that won't change what we already know. Such a great thing. In my heart, your love will grow. And you're feeling down. So tell me to hold your hand. Such a great friend, and we will love you till the end. We wish the best of us, the best can be. We wish that all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, it is what it is. It is birthday splash. Therefore, at the 103.5 FM, the splash of joy, the splash of happiness. Bagam in somebody's account this morning, and with the celebration, this morning, we are rocking it. You know, it's about time. It's about to go down this morning. We have a lot of people to celebrate, and we are getting into that in a jiffy. Today being the 18th day of October 2023. I expect a lot from the Lord, and today is a good day for us to ask of the Lord, because once I ask and you shall receive. If ask and you seek and you find, because no one on the bread or not draw possible. We have a lovely father. So today, this 18th day of October, you know, we have a lot to celebrate. We have a lot of people. Celebrate, you know. Let's get started. This morning, birthday, you know, the man ama as Jean-Claude Van Damme. Born him back in the days. On a lot of movies, this man Van Damme, you know, action movies on a very good day. Oh my hand, he was born October 18, 1960. You know, he's a Belgian actor, martial artist, and director. All the good, very good. So much that even he featured in so many movies where they have nothing to do with their production, like Friends back in the days. You know, a lot of things. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday, Jean-Claude Van Damme. Otaku Sade this morning. Yes, it's a beautiful day, and today is also the birthday of the American singer, songwriter, and record producer from Nevada. And we are talking about Neo, the man that made the song Miss Independent. You know, a lot of songs over time, even an actor, and he was born in Las Vegas. So we celebrate him today. He was born October 18th, 1979. Happy birthday, Neo. Otaku started this morning. Get involved, send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 0096 661035. Let's celebrate well. Yes, I see there now. The first place go to Lagos. Somebody, Dio Kimba, now music entertainment industry in Nigeria. A lot of people consider him a legend, you know, and we're talking about Wande Cole. Today is his birthday. He was born October 18th, 1985 in Lagos, Ireland. He is a Nigerian musician. You have to go back in the days when we more hit records. You have to go MSO or Marvin Records. Even Marvin Records, you have to go rock Marvin Records before Videos his own thing. A lot of, you know, hits over time. Omega. So let's celebrate Wande Cole this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, Otuako did this morning. Let me also tell you that today is the birthday of the former governor of Abia State. He goes by the name Okezie Ikpeazu. He was born October 18th, 1964 in Abia State. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, Otaku started this morning. Get involved. Send SMS, WhatsApp messages. Let's celebrate you as well.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Yes, in Ezanya former a Fugodo na Jesus, you know, he cares about us. He cares about us so much. He cares about even our breakfast on a very good day. In Ezanya, and if no man on a very good day, because God cares about us. You have to go na yabo anwana so cool so I'm about the one. So in where around you, you don't have to struggle so much to go and get it. You have to go on a very good day because they all hear Chineke at the same time. On our as a messenger, now reminder I told you Chineke ni no them ni na room baby. A better yard. You have to go to so every morning I need which I say that alo Chineke ni meladro or fella. And we can any or go yesterday and you know or the normal. Every time you're gonna yes, all normal thing, but it's a miracle, not the normal every day, and we have to appreciate that. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Yes, we have a lot of things to venture into this morning. Akoko Oti Poju, and it's time. Let's get ready to rumble. You have to go all the time. I do have back because na keep as well. Oh, when you say you chopotani, and I deputy aggressive na Yoruba kamu amangu in God that there's an English or say who makes every day brighter. Your love is the greatest gift, and I'm grateful to share another year of wonderful moments with you. And in as much as Nana celebrate and the federal government of Nigeria celebrate for his contribution. You know, also one of the traditional rulers say, beyond even being, you know, the kind of activities somewhere, like the way he empowers youths, a lot of people once again. Yes, when it comes to Oni of Ife,
so I need to celebrate here and I need wish we have more years. You know, whether can any commonly known name, you have to see it.
Anyway, this is to remind you once again that you can also join us on Facebook at Ebonade 103.5 FM. Drop your comment on the comment section of the live video, you know, that says, Fear Igbo boys, so Maria Chike, yeah, also say Fear Igbo boys, say, nah, oh, tell you, so one night a reality TV star, you have to go when go and cover this morning or say Fear Igbo naka. You have to go also no yeah, ni hona tanani adroma.